How to fix WhatsApp multiple account feature not showing. If you are on your iPhone and there are no options for multiple accounts on your WhatsApp, what you can do is you want to head to your App Store. In the search bar, you want to look for the WhatsApp. Make sure that you are on the latest version. If an update is available, go ahead and do that. Moving on, you want to go to your phone settings. Here you want to make sure that you are on the latest software update. For that you want to go to General. Then right under About you'll see the option of Software Update. Similar to mine, if an update is available, it'll be shown right here. You can go ahead and do that. Finally, for your last option, what you can do is you want to head to your WhatsApp settings. Here you are directly going to contact WhatsApp, so you want to head to the Help tab. Now you want to click on Contact Us. You want to type down your problem right here. You could use the prompt similar to this. Now all you have to do is click on Next and submit your problem. The WhatsApp team should get back to you and your problem should be fixed. Hope I was able to help you out. Thank you for watching.